In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free delivery on Shein. Now, currently there are three ways to do this. Now, the first one, which is simply to just reach the minimum threshold. So when you buy some stuff, usually if you buy for more than a certain amount, you will get the free delivery. Now, the second one is new user bonuses. Now, if you create your account, usually there will be a new user bonus as soon as you create it, and this one might include free delivery. Now, the third one is usually they will have some kind of campaigns, which will be like Shipping Sunday or something like this, where you can get free or very cheap delivery. And now the last one, which is app promotions. If you download the Shein app on your phone and you log in and click on the me icon, usually in there you can play these kind of app. Now, when you play those, you can win rewards, and some of them can be free delivery. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.